everyone, I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Let's go ahead and unbox the Look Fantastic February box. I have it right here. It comes in the color pink, which I love because pink is my favorite color, so I am definitely going to keep the box. All right, let's go ahead and unbox it, find out what kind of goodies we have inside for this Valentine's month, you guys. All right, this is how the inside looks like. We have the Edit magazine, and the theme is self-love is in the air, as you can see right there. All right, oh, okay, that's what we are seeing inside, you guys. All right, who is ready to see something Valentine's special in this box? I am ready. All right, let's begin with the first sneak peek, of course, from our last month. And wow, this is a Pixi product, you guys. Let me just tell you, I do love Pixi products. I use their skincare and I have tried this one in the past. I love it. And yeah, it's quite small though. This is how this looks like, you guys. We are getting 15 mils of product. I have shown this product in my video that I did for you guys, but it looks quite tiny. However, if you love Pixi products, I think this is really great. I have used it myself. I purchased it in a bigger size, of course, and it's just interesting to see the smaller size, because when you look at our last month's box, put them next to each other. That's a sneak peek right there, next to each other. Yeah, look quite tiny, isn't it? From what you are looking at here and what you are receiving. I mean, it says here 15 mils of product, so it is 15 mils of products. Just, you know, it looks quite tiny. But anyway, that is the first product. I love it myself, and if you wanted to try Pixi product, like, I think this is, you know, a way to go. Give it a try. If you love it, then go ahead and buy a bigger size. But that is the first product that we have in here. For me, I would definitely, you know, place an order for the bigger one, because this I'm gonna go through it like in no time. Okay, all right, moving on, we have some products for the foot, you guys. For the feet needs some love, and I see a foot mask over here, and this is from Beauty Pro Foot Therapy Collagen Infused Booty. Okay, collagen, sweet almond and peppermint. That sounds lovely for the feet, isn't it? So this is what we are getting. I have quite a bit of foot mask because I collect them, and I did one like last week and my feet felt really good. Moving on, we have something here that seems to be like what is this? Water only makeup remover. Oh, from Glove. I see. We have received some product from this company before, but not these ones here. Let's have a look. So we have something that is more like Valentine's, you know, kind of themes, if you will. We have these two beautiful looking makeup remover in a shape of heart. They look like this. Let me just put them next to each other. Oh, okay, one by one. Here we go. They feel quite soft, you know, the fabric. All right, so we are getting two of those, as you can see right here. This, now I'm excited about this one here. I don't think I have the heart-shaped makeup remover in my collection. I have this one from, like, you know, from Elf Cosmetics, from Essence Cosmetics, but not in this heart shape. So this is more like Valentine, I guess, if you will. Yeah, because I'm looking at this box, I'm like, so what else screams Valentine in this box? Not really, you know. These ones, however, they kind of do, you know. Do you agree with me? All right, let's move on and see what else we have in here. So they're just water only. Add water and you're good to go to remove your makeup. I will test them and see how well they wash as well. All right, next product. What do we have here? Okay, so the Lottie London. This one is the blusher, right, in the shade Hazel. I have a feeling we received this product already in the glossy box, I believe so. So that's the shade at the back there. Yeah, I have this one already in my collection. It's this more like a pinkish kind of blush that you can use. So I'm not going to go ahead and open this one because I know mine is somewhere. Either it's somewhere or I gave it away, I don't remember. But yeah, and I feel like sometimes, you know, we have quite a bit of blushes in our boxes, don't we? All right, so that is that, you guys, a product from Lottie London. All right, next up we have, oh, this looks new. Okay, Dr. Botanicals LM Lemon Superfood. This product right here. So let's open it, have a look. Oh, Oh, it's very colorful. All right, this is what we have in here. You can see right there we are getting 50 mils of product. All right, I have used some I think it's sleeping mask from this company, and I really like those. So you can use this one here for your hands, for your knees, for anywhere that you wish to that has dry patches. You can use it. So I like this. I would definitely give it a try. Whoa, okay, so it's not sealed. Was that meant to be like that? Usually they have like that silver seal in there. Okay, first of all, let's just have a look. Very fresh. I like the scent though. It's not overpowering. Smells lovely. So I would definitely use this, test it out, and see how I feel about it. All right, you guys. All right. Oh yeah, it's scented. It's you know, some lemon over here. We look at the packaging. There we go. Some citrus over there. All right, let's move on. So we have 2 more products in this box, you guys. This one is from BYBI. It is their Clarity Cleanser. Oh, daily gel cleanser over here. Looks like this. Comes in the yellow, very colorful yellow packaging. So a daily cleanser. It's not that much inside. 20 mils of product. I'll probably use this one here twice, maybe 3 times, stretching it, you know. Right here I have the final product in this box, and this is from Balance Me. It is their vitamin C brightening eye serum. We are getting 5 mils of product in here. This is how the packaging looks like. It comes in this squeezy tube right there. I do use a lot of eye creams or eye serums myself, and I would definitely test it out to see how I like it. I know some eye creams do make my eyes watery, or they irritate my eyes, and when they do, I usually just stop using them. All right, you guys, now that you know what's included in my February box from Look Fantastic, it is now time to give you my final thoughts, so what I think about the product, because I have some thoughts in me towards this box, these goodies over here. And we are going to begin with the good news, the high, the hit, and of course has to be these ones over here, you guys. They stood out the most to me. I feel like this, I would definitely get a use of them. They feel quite soft, quite fluffy, and I'm so looking forward to be using these ones here to remove my makeup. And they scream February, you know, they scream like Valentine's month, because you know we have a heart-shaped makeup removers over here. So this one, I'm here for them. I'm excited. Already know you guys how I feel about my Pixi product over here. It's not going nowhere. No sir, this is staying. I just have to go and buy a bigger size, because I had a bigger size. It's long gone. They are Glow Tonic exfoliating toner. It is a great product. If you have tried it, share in the comment section below. If you haven't and you're gonna try it, let us know how you're gonna find it. All right, you guys, as for the rest of the product in this box, I feel like this is what I feel and think. I feel like, you guys, they don't really excite me to the maximum, to the point that I want to jump and dance. Not like that. Yeah, we have some cute product. We have some foot mask, some eye cream. We have, you know, the blush over here that I have already from the Glossy box, because if you guys don't know, Look Fantastic and Glossy box, they are sister companies. So sometimes the product that we receive from Gloss box will make their way to Look Fantastic in, you know, in a way, if you know what I mean. So yeah, this is just one of those products. And yeah, looking at this, it's like, yeah, they're cute, they're there. I see you, I'm looking at you, I'm looking at all these products. I'm like, yeah, I see you are there. I see, I received you, definitely. I know I have received you, you know. It's just that I'm not too excited for them compared to the excitement I have for this one. See, and also, you guys, when you think about it, I mean, let me know. I'm going to ask you guys in the comment section below. Let me know, do you think that it could have been nice to receive like a full size from these 4 here, because they're like either minis or medium size? Do you think they could have been included a full size of either maybe the Pixi one or any of these in here? Because we only have the foot mask, one time use. We have this cream here, yeah, you can use a couple times, and we have these ones here. But this one, you see what I mean, the size, yeah. All right, that is a question for you in the comment section. Let's share your thoughts. I would love to hear them. And yeah, thank you so much, you guys, for watching today's video. If you made it this far, I do appreciate you all. I love you. You guys are true supporters, and thank you so much for being here. Thank you, Dream. That means a lot. And I shall catch you all wonderful people on my next one. Take care. And also my glossy box unboxing for the month of February will be coming very soon the minute I receive it, because up to this day of filming this video I did not receive it yet. So yeah, when I do, I will definitely come here and box it for you guys. So thank you so much. Go have a wonderful day wherever you are, and I shall catch you all in my next video. Take care and bye for now.